Oh, I love to see it coming. At this Kirk's Foley piece, guys, look at the all gold jewelry jar we have today. This side is things I would wear. This side is not wear. Whatever I don't want will be in my whatnot shows. Link in my bio. I've been so into gold lately. I love gold. I love silver too, but it's just something about it lately. I don't know. I guess like the summer vibes. It just really brings it out. This jar is from Maya's Jewelry Jars. My code is MyKindle. Link in my bio for some money off your purchase if you want one like this. But look at this necklace. I cannot believe my eyes right now. I've had one similar to this, but not like this. There's like an asymmetrical 2-chain thing. Yeah, I would wear. I might have to keep that. This ballerina brooch with all the flowers. Look how cutie, but I'm not gonna keep. This is like a dainty piece, which is why it's in a bag, I assume. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's upside down, but look at all of the pink stones. That is so gorgeous. I'm obsessed with this, actually. I'm keeping. Hope you guys are having a great day today. I am so pumped. I'm sorry to get back into this. I've been away for a minute. I'm sorry, guys. I've been on trips. The beautiful, like, bronzy cameo that they have turned into a necklace because it was a brooch. But are you kidding me? I cannot believe that. That is one of the most prettiest pendants I've ever seen. Okay, another one that's trying to come for me. Look at this girl. She's so cute. I'm going to put her with her friend over there. I won't wear her. This emerald green ring. Oh, I love that. And it is adjustable, so it'll fit anybody. Okay, I'm going to have to keep that. There's another Kirk's Foley piece in here. I can already see it. This ring is insane. I'm keeping this 100%. I need more gold rings, and this is perfect. I'm obsessed, and I will be keeping that. Okay, a little dainty. Oh, how cute is this? Little dainty flower. That would look so cute with this outfit right now. But yeah, I would wear on a different occasion. Okay, you guys, a Kirk's Foley piece that I was looking at. And this one, let me just show y'all and shut up. Look at this. Look at that. Okay, this is not a real one. I can see it's not stamped, but either way, it's Kirk's Foley inspired. And look at the cat on there. I'm so obsessed. That's so cute for Halloween. Look at that. Oh my gosh, look at the blue. That is so celestial and beautiful. Okay. Would wear this butterfly necklace. I would wear. Oh, okay. These are all too pretty. Look at this butterfly one. All of this gold. I am so obsessed. I think I requested a gold one at one point because I've been so into it. I know I've already said that, but okay, I'm obsessed with this star. I love this one. This is definitely going to be a keep for me because I don't have anything like this. I love all the different shades of gold too. Like there's like rich golds and there's normal golds and there's light gold. This is literally like Minnie Mouse's bow. How cute. Also, a lot of you guys ask me where I can find all gold jewelry jars, which honestly, I'm not gonna lie, it is kind of hard to come across. But you can never doubt Maya's Jewelry Jars. They do it every time. I mean, I love all of this. It's just so pretty. There's not one ugly piece in here ever. Like, I'm telling you guys, it's amazing. This is a freaking waist chain, and look at that pendant on there. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. Okay, we gotta get this one because this is insanity. Oh, shucks, this is not a real Kirk's Foley, but it is literally identical to like the normal ones. I love this either way. Yeah, look at that. Oh my gosh, I have one literally just like this, but the one that is stamped, so I'm going to give that one to you guys. A red flower. This is the daintiest celestial charm necklace I've ever had. Look how cute the colors are. Guys, don't worry, it gets better because look at this one. It's kind of like all tangled up, but look at the colors. I low-key wish this wasn't so long, but I think it actually might be a waist chain as well, like a little belt. If so, that would be cute. I would keep. Oh my gosh, I have not seen one like this in a while, you guys. This is such a good find. Such a good find. This, like, the all gold really just, it just does it because this can match anything that you wear ever if you like gold. It's perfect. Here's a matching necklace to that ring and this little necklace. How cute. This one is like a fully layered one like this. I have quite a bit of these and I never wear them, so I'm gonna give it up. And we have another waist chain, you guys. This one is so good. It's so just festival vibes, like boho festival. I love it, but I do already have one, so. Okay, I'm gonna get some of these earrings off. These are everything, but I really don't think I'm gonna do them justice. Do you guys see that? Literally look, that's amazing. But I'm gonna give them to you guys. I know I'm insane for that. I know. Oh my gosh, these have matching earrings. I'm keeping. Now this one, I might have to keep this. Let me see. That is so beautiful. Okay, Holy Celestial in this jar. This is insanely beautiful. You guys can't really tell because of my necklace I have on, but it is layered very nicely. I would wear. I might have to keep that too. Oh my gosh, this one feels so nice. First of all, look at this. That is so beautiful. I know I would never wear this, but that is a beautiful choker. Kitties! If you guys have orange cats in your family, you need this. Never have I ever got something like this from this jar before. Okay, for somebody else. Obsessed with this ring, honestly. This is so well made. I don't know why I love it so much. I just don't. I got this one in my last one, but it is very, I called it indie sleeves last time. It really is just giving me Cleopatra vibes, but I would not wear. These are felt flower earrings. Just insane. Like, yeah. This one is so pretty. I literally love this. What? Here's some rings at the very bottom. Look at all these florals. They always come with a lot of cute matching sets, so this is the matching necklace to those earrings. Finally, but not least, you guys, this is so stunning. I don't know, it's kind of like backwards, but it's like a creamy white, and it hangs like this. I love this. This is insane. I'm gonna have to wear this. That was all for the jewelry jar, you guys. Such a good jar, 10 out of 10 for the gold lovers out there. Hope y'all enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. And don't go anywhere, okay? Because we're doing a giveaway soon. Love you guys. Bye.